Oh, dang.
Dude, Jerry, you're a horrible operator. He fell out of the...
People might think that was planned, but...
Nope.
Alright. So, we should get Jerry out of there first. He wasn't even wearing a seatbelt. Come on, buddy. You're lucky you survived that one.
Did he survive?
Yeah, I think he did.
Okay, that's good.
Get him a new pair of pants. These ones are soiled.
There are a couple machines here that I think are really cool for design reasons.
Tell me more.
Well, like the silver haul truck right here. I like it because it looks like it can also be a haul truck for the road, but you can also go roughhousing with it, which I enjoy.
You can.
And like for this giant...
Which we will use today.
Yep. I like it because it has this extra...
An adjustable boom.
Yeah.
Plus
the jackhammer.
A lot of people don't see adjustable booms in excavators. It's kind of rare, especially in models. And yeah, we've got this hammer that I've repaired that we're going to use today. I had it seize up earlier in one of my videos because it needed lubrication on the inside and it was actually getting too warm. So I disassembled it, reassembled it. And do you want to show us what we're doing today?
Okay, well, if we come over here.
Sure. If you're just joining us, welcome to the construction site we've been setting up for quite a while. Quite a bit of work has been getting done, and we had started off with this hole in the adjoining part of our foundation. Go ahead.
But what we're doing today is we're going to be cutting some of this paper. And then we're going to be coming down here and breaking off some of this extra concrete that's just coming off because it's not connected to anything like sand.
The mortar, yeah.
And then this machine, right over here,
whoa,
we can attach a big red claw onto it, and I can grab the extra pieces of concrete after my dad jackhammered them off, and then I can put them inside of a dump truck.
Very good. That you actually said that perfectly.
Nice.
15,000 milliamp hour.
Well, I probably should have done this the other
No,
way.
that's the right way.
Oh.
Yeah. Whatever you like, then.
Just so I can actually reach it, but thank you.
Work both ways. Send power on your radio. Good job, yeah, double power. Perfect. Now just below that door that you just closed, open that door. Yeah, and there just below is a button. You turn that on. There you go. Now you got the battery indicator, and it shows you that you're ready to... Oh, do it again. Push it in. There you go. You're good. You're good. Yep.
Nice. So then it should be ready for me to rock?
It should be ready to rock, yeah.
Oh.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, here you
No,
go.
no. Can you move your tracks? You can. Okay, so here is the receiving end. Show them the end of the claw. Explain this claw to the audience, brother.
So basically, this claw, well, it can open up and close like a normal claw.
Right.
But also, if you can kind of see here, it can twist and turn. I can't do it right now.
It rotates, yeah, because of the pressure.
But yeah, it can rotate, and plus with the extra help from the excavator, it can
the
up
leverage
and down, twist, and then open up.
So full rotating, articulating arm. So we have to be careful here that there's no dirt going in because this is the valve system where it clicks into. There you go. So it'll hook on the bottom, And then, so what has to happen is these will have to come in, but since it's hooked up to a hydraulic pump, I'm going to hook it up, and then I'm going to bring the pins in. There you go. And then push, You got it. You got to push it all the way in.
Yep.
There we go. Done.
Nice.
There you go. So now the claw is in place.
So now if we use the pump and some like extra fancy stuff.
Yeah. Oh,
this thing
extra fancy stuff.
Yeah, I know. I use it all the time. This claw can move and rotate.
Right. So I've set it up on the joystick. Even though people will be like, "Why haven't you mixed it?" I can't remember the knob to automatically turn on my mixing, so we're just going to turn on the pump for now. Go ahead and use the rotating joystick here. You didn't know that these actually rotate here.
I actually did, but I completely forgot. Oh.
There you go. Good job. Yeah, try the other rotating knob. There you go.
Well, okay. Nice.
I think I just did a butt head. Nice. Good job. Good job.
But
So generally, go ahead. You've never done this before. Enjoy. I guess we should cut the paper and reveal the damage.
Okay, let's do. Unveil it.
So apparently this part of the house has been here since 1990s.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And so all this lifting part can get knocked out and redone around here again.
And then we'll throw it in this rock truck.
I think that's the way to do it. Yeah. Let's get hammered. No, I wasn't.
What?
I was using the dozer.
Yeah, the dozers. Run!
Oh, you're still filming.
Yeah.
Let's get
Honey, why is there a giant hole in our house?
Yay. It's going to work.
This will take not even... Oh, wow.
Get some good zoom action here, too. Oh! It's not easy.
This is why construction takes so long, eh?
I'm working by the hour here. Wow, this is hard.
Yeah, to crumble small rocks. Work harder! More money!
True. That's a good thing when it moves.
Oh yeah, it's slowly digging it out, just by like the smallest little thing though.
Like, it's not easy to move this hammer around, but...
Well, that makes sense, because it's a giant machine that's really heavy.
Oh yes! There is something about watching that blow apart, like, it is satisfying. Now, the other thing I was told from other construction workers was you have to make like a line of holes. You kind of have to crack it along as you go. It's kind of stuck in there right now.
Yeah.
Let me see if I back out. There we go.
Okay, there we go.
That's actually a great spot.
Yeah.
Applying some downward pressure. There we go. Oof.
Wow.
That's strong. Oh, there it is. Yes.
Break off that big
Oh,
That's a big one.
That's a beauty.
Nice.
Okay, let's go and change my angle here. Get closer towards you. I'm going to go into that area right there and see if I can bust off that piece.
Okay, good luck.
I love your enthusiasm. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Muscle memory. Boom down, stick out. Oh, that could be an angle. It might not be enough downforce.
Yeah, you need to go a little farther down.
It's got an interesting sound. Okay.
Yeah, it looks like you do need to go down a little bit more.
I agree. I don't have enough downward pressure here. So I got a repo here. Oh, hey.
What? Ah, come on.
Fired. I just got fired.
Ah.
Hello. Trying to position around the wood is a bit of a challenge. Come on, muscle memory.
I can move out of your way, or I can try to move out of your way.
Okay. It's probably I could go there, but I'm not making excuses.
Actually, if you just move your, yeah, like that's a pretty good area.
Ah, I broke off the original hole right here.
That's a giant area.
That is a giant piece, bro. That was
wow.
That is it. Nice, that will be your first victim for the dump truck.
Yes, victims.
Let's see if I can get another one going.
You can bang these all out and then I can come right through here and pick them up.
Hey-o.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, it's a very unique sound. Here it comes. Yep. And then just kind of pull it forward. Yes.
I can see that there's like a big rock in the foundation too. I wonder if we're gonna try and get that one.
Oof. Dun 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 dun. So the way I've got this set up is Maurice has two levers, one on either side of his controller. That lever right there makes him go forward and backwards, and the one on the other side is left and right. This will be his first time grabbing anything with this. Well, other than the bucket. So take your time, buddy.
Just trying not to flip.
You got this. You'll be okay. You know what? Just come straight forward. Yeah, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Perfectly.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I can grab the pieces.
I'm pretty sure you can, and you're not going to roll. Oh, I see. There's a piece of wood right behind you, dude. I didn't see anything.
Oh wow! How'd that happen, dude?
And of dad.
This is perfect.
Good luck. Don't be afraid to get in there with your eyeballs if you need to. That's why I got close. Very good, very good. Yeah! Good, very good. So my kiddo's learning dexterity, depth perception, and getting muscle memory.
Actually, should probably open this up.
You do whatever you like, bud.
Such a cool machine.
Yeah!
That's a big piece.
Nice.
I thought that was me for a second. I was so scared.
Nope. You're in the clear, pal. So I'm going to try to get multiple fractures. Oh, this one's going to bust out. All right. That's cool. We have another one here that I was trying to get earlier. Man, not easy.
This is actually pretty difficult even with the claw.
You just got to keep hammering at it.
Now we can use the rock
Oh
for
my gosh, I see it's a big piece.
Oh.
Dude, it's separated. And if I go, dude, look at this. It's separated from the rock. Yes. I just have to get it like positioned properly. Good luck.
Okay, well.
And hold the camera. Come on, I can do it, I can do it. There we go. Oh, I could not do it. Okay, right there, yeah. Hammer.
That's digging into it.
Yeah. There. Come on, you beauty. She needs a few hammer times.
You can do it. But I actually do see it cracking quite a bit.
The longevity of this concrete's remarkable. Okay, let's go a little bit higher. Oh, I was so in there. So close. Dude, it's like a loose tooth.
You almost got it.
Oh! Oh yeah! That's a good spot.
It's coming out!
Yeah!
It's coming out! It came out! Whoa, that's a big piece! That's a really big piece!
That's what we wanted to do.
Bro!
Yeah.
Good job!
That's a honker.
Wait, what?
It's a honker.
Oh, yeah.
Very good, very good, very good.
Good job!
Okay, throw it in, then let's go have a break.
Okay.
Can't believe how long that takes.
But like, this is like a great boulder.
That is thoroughly enjoyable. We can repurpose this concrete somewhere on the site.
Yes.
Kadinga. Good job. All right, let's go eat lunch.
Okay, let's go. Can I use this thing to pick up my sandwich?
Yes, and feed it to yourself.
Yes!